So if I had to simplify these three rods, Vizanac would be my dedicated GT rod. It has enough backbone and enough power through the entire rod to work large, heavy poppers very effectively and put enough pressure on GT to keep them away from reef. The Yamaga Blanks Blackie PE10 is dedicated towards targeting large yellowfin tuna. The forgiveness of a rod really takes a lot of pressure off of an angler during a prolonged fight, but it still has enough backbone through the rod to pull fish but also impart proper action to medium-sized poppers. And finally, if you're indecisive and you might be doing less trips or mixed trips for various fish species, look at something like the Nobi Voyager, a true all-rounder. It can't do everything perfectly, but it'll get the job done.